Hebrews chapter 13 verse 14. For here we have no continuing city as a worshiper, no continuing city here, but we seek one to come. By him, therefore, let us offer the sacrifice of praise to God continually. That is the fruit of our lips, giving thanks unto his name. He said what? The worship is what? The sacrifice of praise. Sacrifice. It's not the prayer of praise. That's why I tell my praise worship that when you are singing the song, I'm listening to the lyrics. Don't come and sing situation. Don't come and sing problems here. I don't have to borrow your situation. You know, somebody can write a song how he went through hell. Like that song. My whole friends failed me. Friends and family turned their backs on me. I looked around. My friends did not fail me. My friends and family did not turn their backs on me. So why should I sing it? But because no one goes to Metu Nobi. My whole friends failed me. So you now do it after 3 months. Friends starts failing you. Say, God, what is happening to me? You worshipped it. Friends and family turn their backs on me. Whenever you are singing, listen. The vehicle that makes it a worship is the words, not the melody. We live in a generation that like melody. Boom, boom, kick it. They don't care what is happening. Boom, boom, boom. And the person is just shaking his head because it's sweet. And the next moment, you used to solve maths very well. They now give you mathematics. You're not looking at it. Say, what is happening to me? I don't know whether somebody took my destiny. You used your maths, say you be colomenta. Because the beating is sweet. That they added Jesus to a song doesn't make it a worship. Some are songs of protest. They are protesting. Protesting to God as if God has deserted them. Sacrifice of praise is a praise you give when there are no reasons around you. In the midnight, Paul and Silas prayed and they sang praises. They did not sing complain. And suddenly the prison door was shut. Heaven came down. Sacrifice of praise are songs that pull your heart towards devotion to God. Songs that tell you surrender. Make me an instrument. Any song that talks about God is a song of praise. Or no, not about God. Talks about what God has done. Because about God can be anything. About what God has done. It's a song of praise. Good. Songs that talk to God direct, in yielding, in adoration, in worship is a greater song. Make me an instrument. What more can be that? As a worshiper, make me a vessel. Make me whatever you want me to be. It's like, I'm not talking to you. And when they sit down in church and they are singing, make me an instrument. You sit down there as if the person singing is not asking you. The way you'll be looking. So you are the one I'm telling, make me an instrument. When you should even join and tell the same God. You see people in the time of worship, they are looking at the person. What you are doing invariably, you are receiving the worship that somebody is giving to God. Because you are behaving as if you are God, carelessly. So we are begging you, make me an instrument. What are they talking about? So which kind of instrument do you want to be? All right. Secretary, can you help them? Your behavior is saying that. When was the last time a worship went on and you cried? Men don't cry, their eyes turn red. Shame. If you can't break before God, things will break you. Even Jesus that made you wept. And Jesus wept. I don't want to cry. They are singing worship. You fold your. They are singing to God. You fold. There is what is called body language. If I'm talking to you, me now I'm talking to you, you can't stand like this at me, at Akimbo. It's a defensive, insulting position. When a leader is talking, you stand like this for you, put your hands on your back. Like the posture that says that this is an authority talking between. Heaven is talking to you, you're just like this. And God is talking, you are before God. See ordinary coronavirus, you have hid yourself. To show how weak, this one shows how weak any man can be. How feeble mankind can be. What is nothing to divinity? What is nothing? Everybody is hiding. Government is strong, everybody is hiding. The whole world leaders can't meet each other. They are doing teleconference. The proof of leadership is in crisis. You step up to the plate. You step up to the plate and take responsibility. That's why we're in this moment, and I was 30 days. We are talking to the people every day, because I know that if you give vacuum, the enemy will take it. That's the leader talking. Putting faith and correcting the errors. You watch on Facebook. The next morning, I'll cancel that wicked voices and replace it with the faith of God. Because what God sent me to do is to feed you with the word of God. Yeah, not to dash you money, not to share Indomie to you. If I have, I will give you. But that's not what I'm called to do. Say they shall feed you with knowledge and understanding. Don't ask from a man what is not called to give you.